welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. Today, in cooperation with 21st Century Program, we are going to be making recycled mini houses. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Some supplies you may need are bottles, cardboard, a hot glue gun, Elmer's glue, scissors, and found objects. Optional supplies are nature materials, rope, shells, pine cones, sticks, pebbles, stones, anything that you think would look good with your recycled house. The first one that we're going to talk about is recycled house using a bottle. So you take the bottle, you cut it directly in half. The top portion that has the drinkable end becomes the roof, and you flip the bottom half over and that becomes the bottom of the house, just like this. And you can either paint your house or decorate it like we did. For our 6-year-olds, can you tell us what you liked the most about making your recycled fairy house?
Is because I didn't hot glue myself the second time, and because I actually decorated it good and I love it. And
So your favorite thing is the window? Were we planning to put a window on it?
Not really, but parts came off, so my mom put a window, so it did work out.
What was the hardest part about making your fairy house?
Is because I kept hot gluing myself of these ones. I covered it with all of these.
Shells?
Yes, shells.
Be careful.
I'll burn myself, Mom. I'm 6 and I won't burn myself anymore. There's a bogey.
Pine cone shingles. Did it hurt when you hot glued yourself?
Yes.
But then
The next try, I didn't hot glue myself because I went way slower.
And Mom helped, huh? Talk to me about the roof.
The roof we're using for lid.
The top of the bottle?
Yeah, top of the bottle. And then we messed up on it, so my mom.
But how did we mess up on it? Did the sticks glue onto the curved plastic really good?
No. Sticks
That kept, what did they keep you in?
falling off.
And sliding around, huh? So this roof is it the first roof or the second roof?
The second roof, and it's made out of paper box.
It's a cereal box, cardboard.
And
then we hot glued the sticks and decorations on top of it.
yep.
To make the door, we used some more of that cardboard from the cereal box to make kind of an L shape. We glued part of it on the inside plastic bottle and left the other flap out to make the door. Now, careful, if the hot glue is too hot, it will start to melt and warp the edge of your plastic bottle. So I would give it a little bit before you directly place it onto the plastic. So if I said, let's make recycled mini houses, would you want to do that?
Yes.
What did you learn while you were making your houses?
You can't use thin plastic with a hot glue gun.
Because what happened to the thin plastic?
It will melt.
Did it stay the same shape?
No.
It warped, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And caved in. What kind of materials did you use to make that house?
We used the bottom, which is this part of a water bottle.
Was it a water bottle?
It was like an apple juice bottle.
Apple juice. So what was different about that plastic than the soda pop liter bottle?
It's thicker.
Is a thicker plastic? Mm-hmm. And what is your roof shingle made out of?
Pine cones.
Pine cones. I decorated it with shells and
fake leaves.
Fake flowers.
And I covered up the water bottle part.
The opening, the top of the water bottle
With the fake flower.
What was the hardest part about this project?
Probably the roof, because it took like 2 hours.
To glue the roof down?
Yeah.
Do you young ladies recommend this project for other kids?
Yes.
Yes? Decided to go the recycled cardboard route for my mini house. I also used a lot of sticks and twigs to make window frames. I also put a potted plant in mine so it became a usable thing. So this is the cardboard I used. I actually peeled the pictures off of it so that it was blank cardboard. I glued my sticks, which would be the doorway, onto the ends using hot glue after I had cut my windows out. I rolled up my cardboard very slowly to kind of put those little creases in it so that it would roll into a tube. I kind of wanted a tower shape. So here I am just trying to position my sticks. I used some masking tape to kind of tape them in place while I got them glued down. After I got them nice and glued, then I took the masking tape off. The round-ish square sitting there in the middle of the table is the base of my house that I glued my cylinder onto. This that I'm playing with is a cup from the carry cases for drinks for McDonald's. This is what I use to hold my flower pot. So this is an interior shot of the table that I made using a lid from a makeup container, and then I made the chairs out of bottle caps. I'm just gluing sticks on in random places and pulling off any stray hot glue, and then using those pine cone pieces. I also used my recycled flowers that I had in the last video. I will insert a card here, and I'll also put a link at the end of this so you can go back and watch that. I filled in places with braided rope, seashells, pine cone pieces, beads, all kinds of random things. I was just thinking, you know, if a fairy were to make a house, what would they make their house out of? Pretty much anything that they could find, right? So that's kind of how I went about creating this. So this is the final shot, just kind of up close and personal of what I did with the plant inside. And then the last little bit is where we put it in our little mini succulent garden that we have out on our front porch. So I hope you guys try this. I hope you create something magical and interesting of your own. These are all just ideas, and it's really versatile on how you want to recycle and create things of your own. you, ladies. I appreciate.
I appreciate you guys. appreciate you guys making your video. I hope you enjoy it. See you later.
So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for more videos from me and the 21st Century program. And have a good one.